So I'm on my way to Briella's right now. It is raining out, and of course, I am running late because I decided to wash my hair, and now I have this frizzy mess because of the rain, and I did not have time to really blow out my hair because I was in a rush. But anyway, my friend Angela is going to be doing highlights in her hair, so we're going to just hang out and vlog a little bit. It is so crappy outside. But anyway, we are on our way. Briella literally, okay, guy just freaking cut me off. Angela does amazing highlights, and oh no, I passed Briella's house. Shoot. Apparently she lives so close to me that I practically passed her house. Keep thinking that I could finally make it to her house without my navigation, but obviously I just can't. I don't know how they did it back in the day with maps. I'd be lost and driving for hours and probably crying, and they had no phones. What the hell would I do? I don't know. I just pulled up. If you guys want to watch and see what highlights we do, and maybe you guys could learn a little bit of tips and tricks if you are a hairdresser and you do want to do highlights, because Angela's freaking amazing. She does my hair too, but I'm due. Anyway, see you guys in a bit.
I love this song. This song calms my ass down in the morning.
Don't worry, be happy. Here, look how red I'm getting.
Did you get bleach on you?
Oh, maybe. Yesterday my palms were itchy, and I'm like, oh my god, does that mean I'm gonna get into a fight with someone?
No,
That I
it's
didn't.
money.
Oh, it does? Oh my god!
One hand means that you're gonna be dishing out money. The other hand means that you're gonna be receiving money. When your nose is itchy, it means that you're gonna get into a fight.
Really?
Yeah.
And when you drop salt, right? So wait, does it matter which hand? Because my right
Yes,
hand.
I forgot which one it was.
My right
You're gonna have
hand
to
was itchy.
Google it. Google the myths about itchy right hands.
Look what you just made me do. I don't like your kingdom cake.
So now why'd you do that there?
She doesn't want me doing this front first.
And then you leave this out so that it covers the, so it looks more blended, so it doesn't look streaky, right?
No, I'm gonna highlight that, but she doesn't want me highlighting that now.
Oh.
The front of my hair is super fragile.
Oh, okay. You psycho.
I
She
am
made you
psycho.
take that out
No, I
to
didn't-
do it later.
I broke it down.
That's so
Oh, I mean-
funny.
I'm sure you get it. You get it. You know what bleach does?
Yeah. Most people leave that, some people, the technique is to leave that out so when you put your hair up, it doesn't look stripey.
She's such a little learner.
I know, I love
And
it.
she just gets her license, so she's asking like so many questions. It's
I know.
So cute.
Well, everyone has different techniques,
Yes.
you know?
Is there carrot cake left? Okay. All right.
Guys, I don't know why I have so much energy. It's so crazy.
Good.
Because your entire chart is fire.
It's like, no, but lately it's more since I like been stopping with the carbs.
You would think carbs would give you energy.
Well, you could get energy from either fats or carbs.
Oh, okay.
But
Maybe you work better with fats.
Yeah, maybe your body was responding.
yeah, maybe.
What fats are you eating? Avocado?
Avocado, beef, chicken with the skin.
More flavorful, right?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Loaded?
Yeah. But if you want to eat carbs, just make sure it's gluten-free.
For me, so I'm trying to be nice when he does something.
So like a dog?
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay, good job.
What'd you say?
No,
Most
some
people
people
don't.
like some people you have to be the opposite. So to do something and he doesn't feel like doing it, I ask him nicely. He won't do it until like the 5th time that I ask him, and then by the 5th time I'm like,
Yeah.
and he's like,
you're crazy. And I'm like, well, I asked you 500 times. I don't get my way until I flip out. It's like, now you listen to me. Now you know, do it the first time.
Yeah. And then they get addicted to the pills, and
They
then
go
the
to
pills
their-
don't do anything.
They go to their
then they go to
parents.
heroin.
They go to their parents' liquor cabinet, the fancy cabinet.
Yeah.
With all the fancy liquor. They have money to buy the drugs.
At first,
True.
they don't have to.
That's
It's easy.
true.
When they're young, they're not drinking to escape. They're drinking to fit in. So then as time goes by, you develop an addiction, and the addictions don't start with like when I was younger, I didn't drink to escape from life. I drank because it was cool.
Yeah.
The wealthy kids are the drug dealers, and the poor kids are the ones that find the drugs. Okay? Or vice versa.
And then
Vice versa.
like the poor kids are the drug dealers, and the rich kids are buying the drugs. Like, the poor kids are drug dealers to make extra money, and then the rich kids buy the money to buy the drugs.
The drug dealers don't do drugs.
Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But the good ones don't do the drugs.
Sometimes they
You're right.
become drug dealers because they get high on their own supply.
Exactly.
Yeah. And they're like, oh, let me start dealing so I can get access to a lot, and then they can't. They don't have money. And they don't have money to buy the big,
start robbing.
the big guys because they're doing it.
all the CVS's are getting robbed, and they freaking tied someone up in CVS stealing the drugs and money. It was around like 2 o'clock in the morning. So if you go to CVS,
Oh, like the pills, you mean?
pills and then taking the money from the CVS's at like 2 to 5 o'clock in the morning.
That is why I go to Walgreens. I do prefer Walgreens or Rite Aid though. So.
Yes. I like Walgreens too.
Walgreens is always out of lashes. They never have the individuals.
I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us during this chit chat, coffee clutch session and getting to learn some useful tips along the way while hearing about our random conversations. And if you would like to see more chit chat videos like this, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.